sovereignty means independent existence of a particular country. It means that the country is neither a dependency nor a dominion. It means that the country is not subject to any external control. It is internally supreme and externally free. The country can legislate on any matter and is not a subject of legislation of any other foreign power. Sovereignty simply means independent existence of the country. Do you get that? Sovereignty का मतलब क्या हुआ? First, it means there is no outside control. There is no external power which is holding the country as a dependency or a dominion. Now, what is a dominion? Dominion means that the head of the state is outside the country. Do you get that? And the country is ruled in the name of that head of the state who sits in some other country. Like say for example, when India or the Indian national movement leaders, they were asking for dominion status. Remember, for long they were asking for dominion status. It means the King of England or the Queen of England will be the head of the state, but this country will be ruled as an autonomous unit in the name of that head of state. Even the Britishers couldn't give that as well.